For stats assignment number 4, item 1 asks you to import a data set, an Excel file with data in it, and then to create a code book. So the first step is importing the Excel data. To do that, you go up to File. You're going to open a new data file. And in this case, it's not an SPSS data file. The data is in an Excel file. So if you need to, you can find the location on your computer where that Excel data is sitting. And so notice here, I've got that right down here in this file that you can see here. And I'm going to open this raw data. This is the data to which I've added an ID number. And remember, we learned how to do that when we met in class on October 10th. But in order to complete this item number 1, you don't need an ID number. So I'm going to skip that step. And we'll just open the Gardasil data in this file here. Notice the default is reading those variable names for the first row, and this is also, you're looking at those variables that determine data type, and I'll show you what that means in a minute. And it says you're using this percentage to do that, and these are default, so we'll just click OK. So now we see that we are in the variable view, so we're seeing our variables, and they're talking about data type, and you can see that this is all numeric data. Another thing that we'll need to do, and we'll do this a little bit later, is to look at the type of measurement that it is. So we'll talk about that when we create the code book. But right now, you can see that we have successfully imported the data.